What's going on YouTube? Today I'll be changing the lower ball joints on the Civic. Here I bought some Moog, I think it's called Problem Solver ball joints. So I'll be changing those today, doing it the old-fashioned way without a I guess a ball joint puller, using just a hammer and some tools you can find at home. These ones are pretty bad. Yes, I'm gonna change those to this. Alright, let's get to it. So first you take the whole knuckle out the car, or the spindle, or whatever you call it, this whole arm right here. You take it out of the car, remove the brakes, and then it has a C-clip somewhere in here. I already took it out after I decided to start filming it, but yeah, you take this C-clip out, it's in here. You'd use some C-clip pliers or split ring pliers, and you take it out, and then you can remove the ball joint. I just have a regular hammer, so that's what I'm gonna use to hammer out this. And I guess you just kind of swing it really hard to knock it out. But to be safe, I decided to use, where is it? So yeah, I'm gonna use this to hold this down so that I don't put my finger there just to get it all smashed. So use this, and I'm gonna hammer it. It's out. So yeah, there's a little bit of damage here, but it's out. That's the new one. That's the old one. You can barely move that one. That one's definitely busted. So time to get it in. So in essence, what's gonna happen is that I'm just gonna put this in here and then just tap it slightly until it seats properly. It starts going down, and it can hit it with a little bit more pressure. So that's what the main thing that I'm gonna do to hammer it in. So now all we have to do is just tap it in lightly.
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in now. Hey, just tap it in.
All we have to do now is install the slip ring. That's this thing right here. It comes with the ball joint. It has like a flat and a curved side. The flat side sits flat on the knuckle itself. So just remember that when you're putting it in. All you do is open it up. dangerous too soon. Yep, it's seated now. That's it. So you can see that it's seated in there. But yeah, that's it.